Welcome to Scrape Genius. Here we are introducing our new software, smartscraper.exe. Let's see how we can use it. To use this software, simply click and open the downloaded smartscraper.exe file. Now enter your query as shown, then click Start Scraping. But remember, before running this software you need to log into your account. Once you are logged in, click Start Scraping again. Now your process has started. You can also check or uncheck the platforms where you want to get data. Remember, if you haven't applied your Web Unlocker API key, you'll also see the same pop-up as shown. To use this software without any restrictions, you need to use both the Web Unlocker and activation key and save. To get the activation key, simply connect with the support team. Thanks for watching.